Hi everyone, it's me Abdul Salam in front of you. Hopefully all are fine. I'm also doing well by the mercy of Allah. In this moment, I would like to say something about in this location. Okay, so let's get start this video. So dear friends, nowadays I can't making any blogging video, and today I have come here at this moment. Okay, so you can see in our behind side. As we can see one paddy field, and paddy field look like very green and very amazing. Okay, so dear friends, you can see my behind side one actually cow, and there is one cow and eating grass on the field. Okay, this color actually black. So dear friends, now I can talk about in our village. Okay, so actually in our village situated actually on the Brahmaputra river, and actually this river and our village half-kilometer distance. So this environment very amazing and very good environment, because our village, all villagers actually agricultural and farmer, I think. And dear friends, and in our village, all villagers actually depending on the agricultural crops like paddy and paddy harvest, and jute, chili, and cucumber, and cabbage, and cauliflower, and different type of crops. And so this is the very essential in our villagers, all villagers peaceful. And overall our village environment very good and very amazing. So I also I am also a farmer, because I am my father also farmer, so that's why I am also a farmer. Okay, whenever I childhood time, that time I like agricultural work very good. I was working for agricultural work. Now I'm also working in agricultural work every day, because I am also agricultural because my father also agriculture, so that I also agricultural working every day. And as well as I am a English crazy learner. Okay, so dear friends, uh, not any environment, English is important. So I am crazy English learner, because my hobbies for English content creator after fluent English speaker, and my main hobbies are English good speaker. Okay, so when I my English journey completed, English fluent speaker, after fluent speaker I will go to abroad. So this is my favorite hobbies. Okay, so dear friends, now I am standing here in front of my paddy field, and my behind side you can see my paddy field, actually our paddy field. Okay, so my behind side on actually hill, this hill very big hill. Okay, so dear friends, so thank you.